Hello, everyone. Welcome to 2D Travels. My name is Dave, and today I would like to give a quick demonstration on how to use our Expedia link that we have in our videos so that you could book your own trip. Using our link will help us out a lot, and we greatly appreciate it. So I have one of our videos up here. I'm going to click the link. I'm logged in as my account for my other channel. First thing we do when you click on the link is we request that you add, oops, I hit the wrong one. We request that you add the page to your favorites so that you can always get to it. All right. So you've got lots of options here. So here you can book, like if you just want a hotel, you got your flight, you got your cars, you can do a package. So it'll do the flight and the hotel together, things to do, and cruises. So let's say we want to book a flight and we're going to leave from, say, New York. So New York City, and we're going to go to Salt Lake City. And we are going to leave on Saturday and come back, oh, Thursday. Okay, so Saturday, October 26th to Halloween. Let's make it there. We'll make it the day before Halloween. All right. And we got two travelers. Okay. So it's calculating. All right. So it's got a United flight here. We've got some price comparisons. Um, but this is sorted by recommended. You can go here and you can go highest to lowest or lowest to highest. Let's say lowest to highest. I hit the wrong button. Okay, so here's a Frontier Airlines flight, 158. United 203. Let's say we want to do the United. Okay, so here's the economy. So you have basic economy where you don't get a carry-on and you don't get to choose your seat. But for $41 more, you can get a carry-on and choose your seat. So let's say we pick economy. And then we have economy down here. You can switch it to first class if you wanted to go first class. Then the return flight. So we got JetBlue, we got Frontier. Sometimes they charge a little bit more on the return flight. We'll pick that one. And we'll pick main cabin. And we'll do car rental. So it jumps to the car rental. And we want a compact car, say. Okay. Then now you can book all your personal information, which I'm not going to do, but that's how you can book a flight with the car rental. Okay. So let's go back to the link. So that would be booking a flight. When we book a stay, we can go back to Salt Lake City. I forgot what day we chose. That done. Okay, and then the same thing for like hotels. So you could book your hotel and your flight on the same site, which is nice. So you can do that all in one place, and you don't even have to go back. I mean, you could search through that menu. Um, all right, let's take a look at some other packages. So go beyond your typical stay in Salt Lake City. So it remembered the hotel that we had. Um, So we want pool, say, oh, let's pick a different package. Let's say we're leaving from, let's pick a Florida package. Let's say we're leaving from Salt Lake and we're going to Miami. Pick a resort, more resorty area. Um, so this is doing the flight and the hotel together, which is really nice. So you've got that all built in together if you do the package. So you can either do it separately or you can, and if you don't like the flight, you can go here and it takes you to the flight area and you can pick a different flight if you don't want to go on Spirit. Um, yeah. So that's the flight. It does charge a little bit more for the package because you're getting a spindier flight. But that's packages and then things to do. Um, so things to do. This is like, okay, let's say we want to go to Cancun. And here's some package deals to get to go to Cancun. And the last thing we want to look at, oops, I closed that, sorry, is let's say we want to go to on a cruise. So we're going to go to the Caribbean. Um, and yeah, we're just picking, but we want to do it within a month. All right, then it shows you the different cruises, and again, you can go lowest to highest. You can go which one's going to depart the earliest. So here's one. Um, so this is 2 days from now, the day of this recording. So we can get a 4 night cruise for $598 for an inside room at Royal Caribbean, Royal Caribbean, I guess I should say. But there's that's sorted. That was sorted by the departure earliest, and yeah, then you can do lowest to highest. So, anyways, there's lots of different, and you can pick specific cruise lines if you wish. But this is pretty nice that you've got everything all in one site. So you don't have to go to Royal Caribbean site to book it. You can do it from the same site that you're booking your flight and stuff, which is really nice. So, anyways, that is Expedia. Thank you for watching and safe travels.